Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a YouTube video directly into Figma so you can use it in your designs, prototypes, or presentations, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed a playable YouTube video into your Figma file, making your work more interactive and way more engaging. Let's get started. The first step is to open up FigJam. Now, if you haven't used FigJam before, think of it as Figma's collaborative whiteboard. It's super useful for brainstorming, quick layouts, and in this case, embedding external content like videos. Go ahead and create a new FigJam file or open an existing one. Next, head over to YouTube and find the video you want to use. This could be anything: a product demo, a tutorial, a marketing clip, or even one of your own videos if you're building a portfolio. Once you've found the video, click into it and copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. You can right-click and copy, or just use Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows. Now jump back into your FigJam board. Click anywhere on the canvas and paste the link using Command-V or Control-V. As soon as you do this, FigJam will automatically recognize the YouTube link and generate a video embed preview right on your board. It's pretty seamless. You'll see a playable thumbnail appear, which you can resize or move around just like any other element. Take a second here to position it nicely on your canvas. If you're using this in a workshop or presentation, you might want to center it or place it alongside notes or other visuals. Once it's in place, click on the embedded video to select it. You should see the bounding box appear around it. Now, here's the key step. Copy that embedded video element. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut again. This essentially copies the embed, not just the link. With that done, switch over to your Figma design file. This is where you're building your actual UI, mockups, or prototype. Open the file where you want the video to appear, click on the canvas, and paste using Command-V or Control-V. You should now see the same YouTube embed video appear directly inside your Figma design file. It might land exactly where your cursor is, or slightly offset, so just move it into position if needed. You can resize it to fit your layout, whether that's inside a mobile screen mockup, a presentation frame, or a landing page design. Now let's test it. Click on the play button within the embedded video. The video should open and play right there inside Figma without needing to jump to another tab. This is incredibly useful when you're presenting designs to clients or teammates because everything stays in one place. A quick tip here: this works best when you're in presentation or prototype mode, especially if you're walking someone through a flow. Embedding video can really elevate your storytelling, whether you're demonstrating a feature, showing motion design, or adding context to your UI. Also, keep in mind that since this is an embedded element, it relies on an internet connection to load properly. If the video doesn't play right away, give it a second to buffer or double-check the link. And that's it. You've successfully added a live, playable YouTube video into your Figma project. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in how you present and communicate your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy, practical Figma tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.